All right, so I just wanted to make a quick video about how to do a self-rescue, how to save yourself when you're off-road and you find yourself in trouble. There's a lot of things that can go wrong. Things can catch you out. Earlier today, I dropped off the side of the trail. It was just completely my mistake. The bike just got away from me. I dropped the clutch and I couldn't get the clutch in again, and the bike just went. And that's how it goes. So I've gotten myself in quite the pickle. I was up on that trail and that tree is pretty big, and I thought, well, I'll just cross it, it'll be fine. But I lost my balance and ended up down here. But it's steep and it's way down there. Coming straight up this, there's not enough momentum. I won't make it up. The first step number one, is to secure your location. Secure your bike. Make sure it's not puking fuel everywhere. If you can, make sure it's not dumping fuel into the cylinder, because carb bikes tend to do that. Turn off your fuel. Secure it so it's not going farther down the hill or in a bad situation. Secure your own body. Make sure that you're safe. Make sure that you're not injured, right? And you're in a safe location. Then step two is to just sit back and have a think. Walk it. Walk here, walk there. Look at your different options and plan things out. Try and consider everything, all the options that you have. So my first instinct was to try to go back up immediately. And when I took some time and I walked it, I noticed that there was a better way. And that was definitely the right choice. So I have a new plan. I had a look, and this area is much less steep than that. So I think I can come around through here. And if I can't charge straight up here, I can go that way. And it looks like there's another opportunity, but this is probably... Then step three, you give your plan a go. And if your tire starts spinning and you really start struggling, don't keep revving it out. Don't keep like fighting, okay? Take a moment, go back to step one, go back and secure your location again. Go back and have a good look. And make sure you're doing it the best way. I carry a rope in my bag, and these places, there's lots of trees, right? So if you went off this, there's no way you would ride back up. This is super, super steep. You'd be in big, big trouble, right? There's some places that you could drag the bike up little bit at a time. You could use a rope, wrap it around a tree, and it doubles your force, okay? So you can pull the bike up a little bit, take up the slack in the rope, pull on the other end. Then, if all of this doesn't work, your last resort is to walk. So I'm next to a road here. This road gets traffic, and if things had gotten really bad, I would have just walked to this road and sat here, or tried to walk down until somebody came up. And this is a weekend, somebody would definitely come up here. So that's kind of the steps that you do. Be prepared before you come out, and hopefully you can take a friend.